Happy birthday, Ate Nelly. I wish you all the best and happiness in life. Take care. And I love you.
Hey, let's greet Ate Nelly. JC here.
Jessie here.
Right. Alright. Happy birthday, Ate Nelly. Wish you more birthday and good health. Enjoy. God bless.
God bless you.
Oh. That's it.
That's it.
That's it, Pansit. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay Nelly.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Ate Lily, happy birthday! Ay, ako pala, sige. Happy birthday, Ate Lily. I hope you more birthdays to come. May the Lord guide you always. Happy birthday, ate! Sana humaba pa yung buhay mo at sana marami pang na maano kay birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Hi Ate Nelly, happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Yeah, alright. Happy birthday, Ate Nelly. Okay.
Happy birthday, Tita Nelly, ang aming nanay sa room 33. Salamat palagi sa kabutihan mo. At pasensya na kung bibihira akong makadalaw kasi sa Abu Dhabi na ako nakatira. Mag-iingat ka parate and I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Nelly. Sana'y maging masaya. Healthy ka sa birthday mo ngayon at sa mga darating mo pang birthday. And gusto kong magpasalamat sa years nating magkasama sa bahay or kahit nga hindi tayo magkasama na ganun pa din yung turingan natin sa isa't isa. I'm thankful sa yung dalawa ni Ate Ana, hindi kayo nagbago. And sana bibigyan ka pa ng more blessings, good health, at mahaba pang panahon dito sa mundo. I love you, Ate Nelly. Happy birthday!
Ate Nelly, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good health. And lagi ka pang mag-iingat and stay happy. Happy birthday. God bless you. O, handa mo ha, makiki-birthday ako dyan.
Hello, Ate Nelly, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at maraming birthday na darating pa sa'yo. God bless, Ate Nelly. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Nelly. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Nelly. Stay young and healthy. God bless.
Hi, Tita Nelly. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best, Tita. Nakakamiss kayong lahat dyan. Sana okay lang kayo dyan. Sana okay ang lahat. Enjoy nyo yung araw na to. Enjoy mo yung araw na to. Ako, okay lang po ako dito. Tagal na hindi din po ako nag-update sa inyo. Pasensya. Pero ngayon, nasa Makati ako. Studying. Sa Fashion Institute. Ngayon. Miss you all. Happy birthday ulit, Tita. Tita Nelly, Tita Ann. Tito. Mga tito. Dami. Tita, mga tita. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Nelly. Wish ko lang sa'yo is good health and happiness. Kaya dapat ang maintenance mo inumin, okay? Huwag mong kalimutan. Isipin mo, mahirap at mahal magkasakit. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Happy birthday ulit ate. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Nili. Natatay pa ako. God bless you. Sana malasing mo kami.
Happy birthday. And you are 63 years old now. It's a blessings from God. Grabe yung blessings, ate. Imagine mo, 63 years old ka na. Grabe yung blessings. Grabe na love ka ni Lord. So, alagaan mo sarili mo always. And thanks na nandyan ka palagi sa amin as a second mother. Salamat sa lahat, ate, sa kabaitan mo. Basta ingat lang palagi. Lahat ng mga pagsubok, always talaga yan sa buhay. Basta magtiwala lang tayo sa Panginoong Diyos na siyang bumibigay sa buhay natin. And thank you for everything. More blessing, more pansit to more. And enjoy your birthday. Less stress. Pag stress, ignore lang ang stress sa buhay. Kasi yan ang nagbibigay tanda sa buhay natin. Kaya chill lang. Be positive always. Love you. Ayan mo, nandito ako sa Palm kasi binablog ko yung ano mo. Kailangan ko mag-send ng video. Charot.
Hi, Tinelli. Cheers on your special day. Have a wonderful birthday.
Hello ma, happy birthday. Kasama si Regine. And then, salamat sa pag-unawa at pag-aalala sa amin lagi. Di ko man nasasabi, pero sobrang mahal ka namin at maraming salamat sa iyo sa lahat at happy birthday, Mama. I miss you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.